Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of some art from Xreart Studios, and more or less they have some really cool older technology that they have disassembled and turned into wall art for an office or decorating a studio or really any place inside of your home. This is just some really cool stuff. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing of what I got from them. I believe I got a Game Boy Color because the Game Boy Color has a pretty huge spot in my heart because that was the first console that I ever got to game with. Well, maybe not my first console, but my first portable console. So we're going to be taking a look at this Game Boy Color, and then we're also going to take a quick look at their website and see what else Xreart Studios has to offer. All right, let's see here. Ooh, the yellow one. Let's go. This is safely packaged. That's pretty nice, but let's take a look here. We're going to do some inspecting. Oh wow, would you look at that? A 15% off coupon. Hold on. Obviously, if this video interests you, you guys can use this coupon code for 15% off your next order. So I don't know exactly how long this is good for, but yeah, put the code in. Hopefully it works. Who knows? Maybe it'll take a little bit more off than 15%. Well, let's see here, guys. We have the Pokemon Gold version as the little sticker in the back. The yellow Game Boy Color. What color did I have? I'm pretty sure I had purple. Or was it green? I can't remember. It was so long ago, and I think it broke. I think I had it from ages like 3 to age 5, and I wasn't the most responsible back then. Okay, and it's been so long. Like it broke, and I don't know. I got an N64 after, and then I got a PlayStation 1, and then I have my next prized possession, which is the GameCube. But this is definitely huge significance to me. I remember I used to play like this Rescue Heroes game, and then there was another couple of games, obviously Mario and whatever. I didn't really play Pokemon too much as a kid until I got older, and I was on like the Game Boy Advance and Nintendo DS and whatnot. But let's go ahead and peel this back. Going slow so no plastic gets stuck, but I might have to use some tweezers to get that plastic. All right, guys, so before I remove any more of this, I just want to show you like this little plastic that they have that's literally stuck inside the grooves. I have some on all 4 sides, and it is really irritating. So when you get your art from Xreart, I highly recommend that you use something like a packaging knife or some kind of really sharp knife that has a sharp tip before you remove the plastic. Keyword before, not after. Before, because you'll still have leverage with the rest of the plastic. Okay, I'm trying to use tweezers. Both the bigger ones and the smaller ones really did not work out that well, to be completely honest with you guys. But I would run my knife kind of hugged up against the inside of this and kind of just go like that and then pull off the plastic. So do that first so you don't have to do what I'm doing right now and trying to get like all of this plastic out and whatnot, because obviously it's not going to look good. But I just want to let you guys know that if you are interested in this product, that may be something that you have to do. That's the huge ding I'm going to give to Xreart. I don't know why they have that piece of plastic sandwiched between the frame and the you know, like plastic glass protector bit and whatnot, obviously to keep like dust and stuff like that out and to keep the actual art safe. The packaging could use a little bit of work. The actual package safely shipped, but the unboxing experience and pulling off the plastic that protects this front plastic piece, that was not top tier. Looking at the actual artwork that they, you know, put together for us, they nicely labeled everything so you can see the motherboard, you can see the buttons, you can see where they have the headphone jack and the OC input. What is the OC? I don't know what that is. All the buttons and D-pad and everything and whatnot. Little Game Boy Color logo and Nintendo logo. Obviously got to give credit on Nintendo doing what they do best, making them consoles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, honestly, they did a really good job at the presentation. But obviously, of course, they can use a little bit more help with the unboxing experience. What they should do in the future, instead of putting the plastic in between, you know, the frame and the protector up here, just put it on top of it. That way you just peel off the plastic, done. Like a monitor, a phone, a TV, literally anything else that, you know, they don't put between, you know, 2 seams that are closed. Okay, we don't like peeling plastic out of tiny little spaces. That's not fun. It's not what we're looking to do. Otherwise, this product honestly is pretty great. I love the layout of everything. The frame is decent. There's a little bit of damage or a scuff here on the frame there, and then there's another one that I kind of dinged it right there, very small, but I dinged it with a knife and I'm trying to pull out this little plastic bit. It's another reason why we shouldn't have this little bit of plastic there. Hopefully they fix the packaging in the future. You have to fix it. That's not an if, and, or but. After like your next few production runs, I want to see new plastic on everything and a little bit more QC on the frame. But otherwise, you guys did a pretty good job. So let's go ahead and check out their website. So they have a few different sections. They have iPhones, game consoles, Apple Watch. They even have a DIY section. So if you want to do some of the stuff yourself. But obviously I got the Game Boy, $200, which I think is pretty decent. The purple one, this one is nice. What color? I feel like I had a green one. I didn't have a gray one, that's for sure, because why you would get a gray Game Boy Color, that doesn't really occur to me. I mean, that wouldn't really make sense because you got the Game Boy Color, and the big selling feature was that it had a color screen this time instead of having, it wasn't really black and white. It was like green and black. So yeah, but anyways, red, green, teal. That teal one, this one is fire. And purple, $200, $30 off. And then if you use that code, maybe you can save a little bit more. Then they have the DIY stuff. So you can buy the template for the layout. You can buy the template and the frame for $60 for, let's see here, an iPhone, a Game Boy Advanced. Okay, they give you like a Game Boy PSP Switch teardown kit, PSP. Okay, that's pretty cool. Other game consoles, they got Game Boy Pocket, the regular Game Boy Advance SP. This was a good console. That was probably the best version of the Game Boy. They had the iPhones, first generation, 3G, 3GS, iPhone 4, another big generation, iPhone 5, another big generation, iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. iPhone 10, I would probably say, is the next biggest generation beyond like the iPhone 5. Because I didn't really think like the 6 through iPhone 8 were really that big of a deal. The iPhone 10, obviously all the current iPhones use that same design language at this point. So I feel like that is probably the biggest upgrade when it comes to the different iPhone generations. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new as well. Obviously, if you liked anything in this video and in the products that we went over from Xreart Studios, feel free to check out their link in the description below and see if there's a code that you can use that they either have pop up on the site, which I noticed while I was on their site quite a bit, or that code that we seen earlier in the video for that extra 15% off. Hopefully it works. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching.